Welcome to American English with Sushil.
At the clothing store.
Hi there. Welcome in. Let me know if you need any help.
Thanks. I'm actually looking for a casual shirt for everyday wear.
Sure thing. Do you have any particular color or style in mind?
Something light, maybe blue or gray. I want something comfortable, but not too plain.
Got it. Let me show you a few options. These are from our new collection. They're soft cotton and pretty breathable.
Oh, these look nice. Do you have these in medium?
Yep, let me grab it for you. Here you go.
Thanks. Where's the fitting room?
Right behind you, on the left.
Great. I'll try it on.
What do you think? I really like this jacket. It looks fantastic. That color is perfect.
After trying, I really like this one. How much is it?
It's $29.99.
Not bad. Do you have a discount running today?
Yes, if you sign up for our rewards program, you get 10% off instantly.
Sounds good. I'll take this.
Awesome. I'll ring it up for you.
Thanks. You've been really helpful.
My pleasure. Enjoy your new shirt.
Here's the payment. I'll be leaving now.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
At the metro. Excuse me, is this the right place to buy a metro card?
Yes, this is the kiosk. Are you getting a new card or reloading?
I'm getting a new one.
All right. Just tap on New Card on the screen. The minimum load is $10.
Okay, thanks. Does this train go to downtown?
Yes, but you need to take the blue line.
Which platform is that?
Platform 3. Just follow the signs.
And how long does it take to reach downtown from here?
About 20 minutes.
Great. Is it crowded right now?
A little, but it moves quickly.
Cool. Thanks for the help.
No problem. Have a safe ride.
At the bank. Hi, good morning. I want to open a checking account.
Morning. Sure, I can help you with that. Do you have your ID and social security number?
Yes, I do.
Great. Do you prefer a basic account or the one with rewards?
What's the difference?
The basic account has no monthly fees if you maintain at least $500. The rewards account gives you cash back on debit card purchases.
I think I'll go with the rewards one.
Perfect choice. Please fill out this form.
How long does it take to activate the account?
Right away. You'll get your debit card in the mail within 5 to 7 business days.
Awesome. Can I also set up online banking?
Absolutely. I'll help you set it up before you leave.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
Job interview. Good afternoon. Thanks for coming in. Please have a seat.
Thank you. It's great to be here.
So, tell me a little about yourself.
My name is Lily. I recently graduated in computer science, and I'm passionate about problem solving and tech innovation.
Nice. Why do you want to work with us?
Because your company encourages growth and creativity. I love the projects you work on.
What would you say are your strengths?
I'm organized, focused, and I learn fast. I enjoy working in teams, and I'm good under pressure.
Any weaknesses?
I tend to overwork sometimes, but I'm learning to balance things better.
That's good to hear. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes. What does a typical day in this role look like?
You'll collaborate with the dev team, attend brief meetings, and work on assigned tasks.
That sounds perfect.
Great. We'll get back to you soon.
Thank you for the opportunity.
At the repair shop.
Hi, my laptop suddenly stopped working last night. It won't turn on.
Okay, let me take a look. Did it make any sound or show any lights?
No, it just shut down and never came back on.
It could be the battery or the motherboard. I'll need about an hour to run a full check.
Sure. How much will the diagnosis cost?
The basic check is $25. If there's any repair, I'll let you know before I start.
Sounds good.
Do you need the laptop urgently?
Yes, I work online, so I kinda need it soon.
I'll try to finish it today.
Thank you so much.
No problem. I'll call you once I know what's wrong. At a friend's house.
Hey, you finally made it. Come on in. The door's open.
Thanks. Wow, your place looks completely different. Did you redecorate everything?
Pretty much. I changed the lighting, moved the furniture around, and added those photos on the wall.
It looks amazing. Seriously, this feels like a totally new apartment. The warm lights make it feel so cozy.
Thank you. I wanted a relaxing vibe because I've been working from home a lot.
Well, you nailed it. It feels peaceful the moment you walk in.
So, what do you want to drink? I've got lemonade, iced tea, sparkling water.
Iced tea sounds perfect. It's so hot outside today.
For real. Here you go.
Thanks. This tastes great.
So, tell me, how have you been lately?
Honestly, a little tired. Work has been crazy.
I get that. I've been overwhelmed too.
Sometimes I feel like I need a break from everything.
Same here. That's why I thought it'd be nice if you came over.
I appreciate it. Just sitting here and talking already feels better.
By the way, look at that picture frame. I took that photo on my last road trip.
Wow, that's beautiful. You're getting pretty good at photography.
Thanks. It's just a hobby, but I enjoy it.
You should post more of these. People would love them.
Maybe I will. Anyway, I'm really glad you came.
Me too. We should hang out like this more often.
Absolutely. Let's do something next weekend.
I'm in.
This lemonade is just what we needed to unwind. Cheers to a relaxing evening.
At the airport. Hi, good afternoon. Where do I check in for American Airlines Flight 742?
Good afternoon. That would be counter D. Just walk straight and you'll see the signs.
Got it. Thanks. And is the flight on time?
Yep. Everything looks on schedule. Boarding starts around 3:45 p.m.
Perfect. And what's the baggage allowance again?
You can bring one carry-on and one checked bag up to 50 pounds.
Great. Do I need to remove my laptop during security?
Yes, laptops and tablets need to go in a separate tray. Shoes off too.
Right. Thank you.
Are you traveling for business or vacation?
Vacation. Finally taking a break after months of work.
Nice. Where are you heading?
San Francisco.
Oh, you'll love it. The weather is amazing this time of year.
Great to hear. One more question. Where's gate A12?
After security, turn left and keep walking straight. It's about a 5-minute walk.
Awesome. Thanks for all the help.
My pleasure. Have a wonderful flight.
At the mobile shop. Hey, I'm looking for a new phone, something around $300. Sure, we have a few great options in that range. What features matter most to you? Good camera, long battery life, and at least 128 gigabytes storage. Got it. Let me show you this model. It has a 48 MP camera and all-day battery. Nice. Is the camera good in low light? Yes, it has night mode, so photos come out much clearer. That's great. How about charging? Fast charging? Yep, it supports fast charging. You can get about 50% battery in half an hour. Perfect. Does it come with a case or screen protector? The box includes a basic case, but I recommend getting a stronger one for protection. Fair enough. What colors do you have? Black and silver. I'll take the black one. Excellent choice. Do you want insurance? If you drop the phone or crack the screen, repairs are free. How much is it? $7 a month. Not bad. Okay, add it. Sure thing. Let me get everything packed. Thanks. You've been really helpful. Anytime.
All right, here is your new phone. Enjoy the camera, it's fantastic.
Thank you so much. I appreciate the help. See you later.
At the hospital.
Hi, welcome. How can I help you today?
Hi, I've been having a fever and body aches since yesterday, and it's getting worse.
I'm really sorry to hear that. Would you like to see a general physician?
Yes, please.
All right. Could you fill out this form? The doctor can see you in about 10-15 minutes.
Sure, thank you. After consultation.
Hello, I'm Dr. Mitchell. Tell me, what's been going on?
I started feeling really tired yesterday. Then the fever went up at night.
Any cough? Sore throat?
A little cough, yes.
Okay, let me check your temperature. Yeah, it's a mild fever. The good news is, it looks like a viral infection. Nothing serious.
That's a relief.
I'm prescribing you some medication. Get plenty of rest and stay hydrated.
How long will it take to feel better?
Usually 2 to 3 days. If your fever doesn't go down, come back for a follow-up.
Okay, thank you so much.
No problem. Take care of yourself.
At home.
Hey, can you help me put the groceries away?
Sure. Where do you want everything?
Vegetables go in the fridge, snacks in the top cabinet, and put the milk on the side shelf.
Got it. Did you buy the cereal I like?
Yep, it's in the back on the counter.
Yes, thank you.
Did you finish your homework?
I did most of it. I still have math left.
Don't wait till the last minute.
I know. I'll finish it after I eat something.
Dinner will be ready in about 30 minutes.
Nice. What are we having?
Chicken pasta.
Perfect.
Oh, and don't forget to take out the trash before 8.
Okay, I'll do it.
Thanks.
Hey, Mom, can we watch a movie later tonight?
Sure, if you finish your homework on time.
Deal.